This video will demonstrate how to set up your Leviton Wi-Fi certified smart GFCI outlet, receive notifications, and view device status using the My Leviton app. To begin, download the My Leviton app from the Apple Store or from Google Play. Launch the app and create or log in to an account. Press the plus icon in the top right corner of the app. Then select Add Device. Add the Wi-Fi certified smart GFCI outlet by scanning the barcode on the box, or by choosing the GFCI outlet option from the devices listed on your screen. Once your smart GFCI outlet is installed and powered, push in the Test button to put it in setup mode. The LED status indicator light should blink green, indicating the device is ready to be paired with the app. If the LED is blinking, select Yes, let's go. If the light is not on, or if it is not blinking, click on I don't see a flashing LED and follow the instructions in the app. Next, choose the device you are enrolling and follow the prompts to connect your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you can name your device and assign it to a specific room. You can set up the notifications function by enabling email and push notifications as indicated on the app screen for the residents. Choose the GFCI outlet under Devices and enable notifications there as well. Select Finish to complete the setup. You can also manage the audible alert by selecting the device from the home page. Select Device Settings, then Advanced Settings, and then Audible Alert Settings, and choose Enable or Disable. Once the device is set up, you can view the outlet status, Protected, Fault, Test, or Offline from the home page. If there is a fault and the GFCI trips, you will be notified inside the app as well as via notifications if enabled. Now you are ready to experience the convenience of GFCI safety in the palm of your hand with the My Leviton app.